there's a way where it's not a trip hazard. And as you can see, this boat is equipped with the all-activity tower, which creates a nice casting platform as well as a tow point. Under that, you'll see the white-colored Mercury 200, the new motor. It's been a great product for us. Stepping up into the cockpit, we've got another large casting platform, flush mount rod holders, rear bench seat with lots of room, with lots of storage underneath, slide out cooler under the helm station. At the helm, you've got Raymarine Axiom chart plotter, Fusion stereo, digital throttle. As you see, this boat is equipped with the Bimini top in the blue color. Lays down flat if you've got a height restriction in your storage location. In the console of the Dauntless, you have a pump out head. Very spacious for a 21. A lot of room in the console. Going forward, you have a live well, blue lined lighted live well in front of the console. Lots of seating in the bow. Fish box under here, anchor locker under there. As you see, this boat is equipped with the split bow rail, which gives you that great safety feature that the rail provides, but yet you also have easy access in and out of the bow. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.